Hello everyone. Today we are going to study Panda library in Python. Now what is Pandas is one of the very important information based on the data frame and series. So it provides powerful data structure like data frame and series for handling the different kind of structured data. Structured data means the numeric data in order with the some alignment of the text. But unstructured data, it doesn't handle, as your notebook carries different text, that is unstructured data. So Panda library handles the structured data which comes in the tabular format. So let's talk about it. And it also handles the data which comes in the series form. So how to do it? First, let's how to add a cell. Suppose I need to add a cell, then I will click on plus. This is a Jupyter notebook. So now I'll say pip install pandas. So in my notebook, the Panda will be installed. Now, this is the installation of Panda. After that, what will you do? You will do import Panda as PD. Means in your system, once it is import, you will it is installed. Now you will import to use it. Now, this is import Panda as PD. So whenever you need to import any library, not only Panda, but any of the library, you will use this thing import, and then you will put the name of the library and as which mode. Like here, we are using, not everywhere we are not writing Panda. We will be writing PD. So import Panda as PD. Now, here we are having some dummy data that we want to use for our data frame. So here we have the name. We can have multiple names. And then we have the list of the age, salaries respectively. This is a dummy data which we have created. Now, what we have to do, like we have to give a name to this data frame. So whenever we are creating, we are giving the variable df. You can give any variable. Suppose I want to give the list. I want to give the name list as name list as the variable for as the name for this data frame that also I can create. So name list then is equal to pd dot data frame. It is essential. And here this is the data which you are using. So data, this will encompass whole data, right? It is not essential that you have to give the name of the data over here. You can use any other name also. So, like here, you are saying print data frame which you have created, and then you are saying name print. Here, I have changed the name as df. So, name list. So it will go as name list. Now you can see as data frame, you are able to see this name list which has the index number also like 0, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, Alice, Bob, Charles, David, age is there, salary is there. Now suppose you want to add something, you want to reduce something, you want to bring out first in some first something at on priority. All these things are possible when you handle your data. For that only we use this particular a particular library. Now, suppose here I just want to show you that suppose I use this df, then what will happen? Suppose here also I will use this df as we want to print the df. Then the data frame will be there, and here there will not be the change because actually we want to print the data frame. By the name of data frame we are printing it. So here we can see that if suppose we want to see the heads of the df, we can see the different heads, like how many head counts are there. So you can see that there are multiple head counts. Now we can see that columns. So DF columns are there. Name, age, and salary are the columns which are mentioned over there. Now, what is the shape of this data frame? If we want to see that, we will go with df dot shape. So here we go with 4 by 3, means there are four four rows and 3 columns. So this is what it is. This is what data viewing means. Whenever you import any data in your data frame, that is in Panda, you want to, before going for model making process, you see the data in the Panda library. Now, suppose you want to add a new column, that is bonus in that particular thing. So how will you do? You will create a bonus, then salary, and then will go for 0.1. Then so you can see that a bonus is also added as you want to add, particularly like salary multiplied by 0.1. So that is what you have added the bonus means based on the salary, you apply some mathematical calculation, that is salary into 0.1. So that is able to, you are now based on that, you are able to get this bonus. Now, here you are writing data frame with bonus. So in the next line, as you are mentioning this as a next line of this, you are going to have the data frame. So this is first will be, there are two print command. First, this will be printed, and in the second row, the df will be printed. Suppose I will not use this print df. If I'll remove, what will happen? I will get only this print. But if I will use this print df, then I will get this my DF data frame. So this is only the print to give the heading, suitable heading. But with the second DF print, we are getting the final outcome. Now, suppose you want to find out that high salary. So a particular range of high salary, if you want to find out, from this particular salary, like you have the column in this, you know that this is the salary, but what all the salary is higher than this particular salary. So you have decided a range of high salary. For high salary, we consider create a data frame. Then inside this particular data frame, remember that whenever we are supposed to write a data frame, we write in the square bracket. At the same time, we use this. This is a data frame which we have created because we are handling with the same data. So this is a data frame which we have created. Now, this is the name is data, and finally all together comes under df. So we are handling with ds, and here we are saying that in df, what all the salary we have, higher to that we want to have 55,000 higher salary, which is higher than 55,000. So we will say high salary greater than employees, like this is only the statement for writing the, I repeat again, this is only the statement for writing just employee salary with higher than 55,000. But uh, uh, here if we go with this high salary, if we will print this high salary which we have drawn out, From this code, that is DF, inside DF, we are taking this DF salary we are mentioning. So we have the older DF is this. This is the older DF. Now we are putting this maths that give me the higher in form of the DF. So it's giving in this form. I hope this you all are able to understand. Now there are multiple applications where we can find out the mean, we can find out different file handling also. We are not going to cover all these things at this moment, just winding up with the session that you are today we have you have learned with the basic about handling the creating a data frame with the Python, and then using the seeing that what all the different heads are there, what all the number of the columns, what are the names of the columns, then what is the shape of the column. You also saw that how you can add a certain column at the same time. How can you handle the query in the Panda where you want to extract something higher or something lower? It is possible that you want to expect. It is also that you can inversely write something which you want to take as a less salary. So this is how Panda library works. This is the first introductory part of the Pandas we have worked out. Hope you are able to understand. Please let me know in case you have any queries. Please feel free, give your doubts on the chat. All right. So here now you can put your doubts on the chat. Thank you very much.